Oh, look at the little bird feeder Mr. Carpenter built. The lights, we're looking through the window from in the house now. The lights are on, and we'll go outside and take a look at it. Did you ever see a bird feeder that had lights and all that on it? That is really something. Let's go outside and take a look at it in the dark. Here we are outside here taking a look at the birdhouse, or bird feeder. I keep calling it birdhouse, bird feeder. Little light there, and the man's inside there sitting at the table. And there's the wood stove. And there's the porch. It has a deck on it now. I didn't have that on there when I made the last video. We'll turn the porch light on here in a little bit where you can see it better. But I wanted to take a look at it after dark. And it's really something. It has lights in there and everything. And here it has a porch light there. Let's go turn the big lights on here where we can see it better. Now we can see it better here at night with the porch lights on. So here's the bird feeder. Has a deck on it here now. Has dormer windows on it here. Has a chimney. There's the chimney. Really something. Really something. Wait till the birds come tomorrow. This is the first day it's been put out here. But wait till they show up in the morning and say, "Wow, gee, what's this thing? Surely not a bird feeder for me." That is something.